You can see the board. See, it may take some time. When you see the thing, you tell me.
Yes, sir, I can see.
I can say. So number one, this is number one. So we are starting with narration. This is number one. So number one, first identify what kind of sentence it is. What kind of sentence it is?
And nobody answered the. Sir, it is simple present or present
I'm not
indefinite
asking
sentence.
tense. What kind of sentence? Like assertive, interrogative, exclamatory. What kind of sentence?
Sir, it is a question sentence.
It's a question. So if it is a question, since it is a question, we will replace the word said with asked. Question you never say. Question is asked. We will replace this word said with asked. That is the first step. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Why I am writing asked? Because there is a question. So instead of said, I am writing the teacher asked. Now can you tell me to whom the teacher asked this question? The teacher asked. Whom did the teacher ask? The question
Said
was
the
put to
student.
some. Huh?
Said to the students.
Yeah, you can write us or to the students. No, we don't write ask to. Huh? After ask, don't write the word to. Ask the students. Don't write ask to the students. No to. TO2
Yes,
will
sir.
not be there. Ask the students. Now, is it a WH question or yes or no question? What kind of question it is? Can nobody answer this question? What kind of
Sir,
question?
it is a yes no question.
It's a
Sir, it's a yes no question.
yes no. Whenever there is yes no question, you will add the word whether. Only for yes no question. For WH question, do not add the word whether. Only for yes no question, ask this. Okay? Only for yes
Okay.
no question being asked, we add the word whether. Add this whenever someone is asking a yes no question, we add the word whether. Whether nobody. Now, because it is in past tense, can will become, can should be changed to, it is in past tense, asked. See the tense, this is asked, past tense. So if it is in past tense, can will become, how will you change can? Can should be changed to, what is the past tense of can?
Sir, should be changed to
Could. Can will be
could.
changed
Yes.
to could. Whether nobody could answer the questions. Now you have, this will be the, okay, now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
First what we did, we identified the type of sentence. It was a question. So we wrote asked. We didn't, instead of said, we wrote asked. Since it was a yes no question, we added the word whether. This also word whether we added. This whether we added. And then because it is past tense, can was changed to could. So three changes. Question, so said is changed to asked. Yes no question, so we are adding the word whether. And it's past tense, so we are adding, so we are changing can to could. Now, read the second thing. What kind of sentence is this?
Sir, this is do not park your vehicle here. Sir, it is um,
It's a do not park.
sir,
Yes, tell me.
it is a ordered
It's an order.
sentence.
It's an imperative sentence or order. Order or imperative sentence. So you can write ordered. If you want, you can write ordered also. Or for the time being, we are not using that word. That we'll be using in higher classes. Now we are saying told. We are using told. The traffic police. The traffic police told the man. Told. Simple told. Because it is an order. You can also write ordered. But here we are writing simple told. Told the man, and again after told no to, like asked no to. Similarly, told also no to. Here also don't write the word to. Said to the man, but told the man, not told to the man. Don't write the word to. This to will not be there. Told the man, then do not park. How will you write? If I tell you do not park, how will you write in reported speech? Ask the man.
The police told the man not to park his
Very good. Not to park. Now you don't write your vehicle. What you will write? The policeman is saying your vehicle. When you are saying
vehicle. His vehicle.
His vehicle, and here will become
There.
there. So what are the changes we made? Said to the man, we made told the man. It was not a yes no question, so no whether. Not to park his vehicle. Your vehicle was changed to his vehicle, and here was changed to there. Number 3. The guide said to me, now here, what kind of sentence it is? Will you like to see the fort? What kind of sentence it is?
It is the question sentence.
So what I will write? I won't write said to me, I will write?
Sir, I will write
the guide. After guide, what I will write? The guide, it's a question. The guide. After the word guide, what you will write?
Sir, the guide
asked me.
Sir, asked me.
Asked me, not asked to me. Asked me. Again,
Yes,
there is a yes no question. See, will you like to see the fort? Either yes or no. So when there is a yes no question, what do we say? What do we add? What do we say? The word we add is
guide. The guide asked.
The guide asked me for yes no question. Huh?
Whether I would.
Yeah,
Whether
I
to see
will
the
be changed to would. Why you are changing will to would?
Sir, because it is past tense.
It is past tense. Whether I would like to see the fort. To see the fort. Then number 4. First, identify the type of sentence. The judge said to the lawyer, call the victim in the court. What kind of sentence it is?
In the court, it is the order.
Order. But here we are not, you can say ordered. Here also you can write ordered or commanded, but we are using the simple thing. The judge told the lawyer. You can use the word order. The ordered or commanded, but here we are not using. Here we will be keeping to told. The judge told the lawyer. Again, not told to the lawyer. Told the lawyer. Then, what will you write?
The judge told the lawyer to call the victim in the court.
To call the victim in the court. In the court. Then, here we have sentence number 5. Identify what kind of sentence it is. The principal said to the parents, all the boys are playing in the garden.
Sir, it is a assertive sentence.
Assertive or declarative or simple statement. So the principal told the parents. You can also write the principal informed the parents, but here we are not using that. So simple. You can also write the principal informed the parents. But the principal told the parents. We'll keep to only simple things. The principal told the parents that. Now that
all the boys are playing in the garden.
Not are. Told past tense. All the boys.
All the boys are playing in the garden.
Are. It is a past tense. Said, told, past tense.
Yes,
so are will
be
were. Not are. Were playing. Not are playing. Were playing. Were playing in the garden. Not are playing.
Okay, sir.
Number 6, Ram said, I like this song. Ram said, I like this song. So
I
what kind of
like
sentence
this
it is? It is not a question. So now, since it is, you can also keep a Ram said, because if you write told, then you have to write he told me. If you write the word told, you have to write Ram told me, or Ram told his friend, Ram told his father, something you have to say. If you don't know, because you don't know to whom he said, you keep it as said. Ram said that, I cannot write told here. If I write told, I have to write told me, told his friend, told his brother, something you have to write. So Ram said that way you can keep it. Ram said that, now say.
Ram said that he likes this song.
Liked, past tense. Not this song. This will become?
He liked that song.
That song. This becomes that. He liked that song. Number 7, she said, I don't speak Marathi. Now, what kind of sentence it is?
Sir, I don't speak Marathi. It is a sir. It is a it is
normal
a
assertive sentence.
sentence.
Yes, statement.
Sir,
So
active.
she said that. I'm not writing told because then you have to write told me. If you write told, then you have to write told me. She told me that. Or she said that. She said that or she told me that. Then you have to write me. She said that.
She said she doesn't speak Marathi.
Doesn't matter. She past tense.
She
Past tense.
she
She
says
past tense. Do past tense. What is the past tense of do?
says she doesn't.
Past tense of do. Does is not past tense of do. What is the past tense?
Says she does not speak Marathi.
Does is not the past tense. Do का past tense क्या होता है? What is the past tense of do? Don't means do not. What is the past tense of do? Does तो नहीं होता है. What is the past tense of do? She did not. She did not or she didn't or she did not. Either you can write didn't or did not. Not doesn't. Does is not the past tense. She did not speak Marathi. She did not. Did is a past tense. And we are using past tense because said is in past tense. The verb is in past tense.
Okay,
then
sir.
8. Number 8. Rahman often says to me. Now, I never make mistake. What kind of sentence? Is it a question?
Sir,
Yes or no? It's not. It is not a
it is
question.
also active sentence.
So it is not a question. So Rahman often says to me or Rahman often tells me. Raman, sorry, it's not Raman. Raman often tells me, not tells to me, only tells me, no to. Don't say tells to me. Tells me that, now say,
That he never makes mistakes.
That he
never makes mistakes.
not makes, again past tense I want.
Okay, sir. That he never made mistakes.
But I don't want past tense because it is says. Here see, it is present tense. Is it in present tense or past tense? Says. Is it present or past?
Sir, it is present.
So you don't have to change to past tense. He never makes. You keep it as present tense because this is in present tense. Says this is in present tense.
Am I told this one only?
Yeah, I just wanted to make it sure that you understood this one. I just wanted to make sure that you get this point. Because all these sentences we changed because they were in past tense. This was in present tense. That's why I wanted to put into your head that making it past tense is not required. He never makes mistake. You said the correct thing, but I wanted to especially point out that. So number 9, he said the film has started now. First of all, what kind of sentence?
Sir, he said the film had started at 6 p.m.
He said that the film, because it is now present changes to past, so has started will become had started. Has.
Yes, sir.
Has becomes had. The film had started at 6 p.m. We are not writing whether because this is not a question and this is not a yes no question. Only for yes no question you'll write the word whether. Then last number 10. Number
Chetan
10.
said to his father, I like this book. Sir, I like the book is the assertive sentence.
So
And
Chetan
it will be Chetan
told his
his
father. Told his
told his
father.
father he liked the book.
Told his father that.
Told his father that he liked the book.
He liked. Why liked? Because it is in past tense. This is in past
Yes,
tense, so he liked the book. It is the book, you keep it as the book. If it is this book, then you will change to that. If it is
okay,
written
sir.
this book, then you will change to that book. But here, this is not there. The book you keep as the book. This book you will change to that.